All right, so check this out. We've got our boiling vinaigrette, and it's on medium. I'm going to crank that baby down just a little bit. And I did not put in the brown sugar yet, so we're going to put in a heaping tablespoon of brown sugar. Heaping because it's heaping good. We got that right there. Put that baby in. Oh, get happy. Let that stir around a little bit. And you'll notice, while this baby was going and getting hot and nasty, I was cooking and cutting. We got a little prep work going on. We got our heirloom tomatoes that are so beautiful. We got some Roma tomatoes because, you know, they're cheap. And if you remember from past episodes, I'm cheap and easy, so they're cheap and easy. And they taste freaking good. Almost as good as the heirloom tomatoes. Okay, I lied a little bit. Heirloom tomatoes are freaking awesome. So we got our heirloom tomatoes going on. I'll be slicing up the rest of those. In the meantime, I'll also be cutting up. Oh my God, that's so good. God, I love fresh basil. It is like sex in the morning. It just sets the day off right. Just gets you going. So we got some work to do. This baby here is going to simmer a little bit. It's going to reduce down to about a syrupy goodness. And then I'll show you what that looks like in just a minute.